Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to power off and restart Xiaomi Redmi Note 15. So here is the phone, Redmi Note 15 5G, is the same also for the Pro version. And if you want to turn off this phone, the first instinct is to press and hold the power button like this. But as you can see, Gemini appears. So the question is how to turn off this phone. For that you need to press and hold two buttons, the volume up button and the power button, like this, press and hold. And from here you can select reboot or power off. Now, if you want to use only one button, the power button, you can do it. For that you need to go to settings and here just go to additional settings, and here we have gesture shortcuts. Now here we have power off, just go inside, and from here you can change from two buttons to only one button. Just tap here and now you can use the power button, press and hold for 3 seconds and your phone will turn off. So I will press and hold the power button, Gemini appears, still hold, and as you can see now from here you can select reboot or power off. So we have two ways, choose your favorite one. I hope this video to be useful for you. If you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.